Hey guys, so finally I'm done with this house. Alright, so this bedroom, you guys remember it was all wallpapered. Got new blinds, brand new hardwood, brand new baseboard, got all the trimming and drywall work down there. Down the hall, did hardwood baseboard, all the paint and trim is done. If we make a left right here, got the tile installed. Brand new tub, brand new shower walls. And so what I did here is I actually took the baseboard and wrapped it all the way around the shower walls. Let me know what you guys think about that. We turn back around. There's the hall. All the baseboard hardwood's done. Another right into the bedroom. Hardwood baseboard, brand new blinds, all the paint. If you guys remember, this room was like blue with clouds. That old nasty blue carpet. Looks amazing now. Down the hall, we added a brand new front door. So what I did too is I took the baseboard and made little ends, little returns on them. Looks a lot more fancy. Brand new door, brand new trim, all brand new blinds throughout the whole home. Hardwood, brand new tile in the kitchen, brand new baseboard, all new vents, all paint, stained the cabinets. Actually installed a brand new oven hood right there. Tile looks amazing. If you guys remember what it looked like before, it's 100% turnaround. Added a fire extinguisher, continued the tile flow straight into this bathroom. That's the same tub, but those are brand new shower walls. This house looks so much better. In the back bedroom, hardwood, brand new baseboard, brand new blinds, all fresh paint, trim has been painted, ceilings. This is it. This one is done. And I'm actually working on 3 separate side projects right now. 2 mobiles and a bathroom that I'll probably post for you guys to see. That's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think.